Hey everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm making mutton chops. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Ingredients that you need: mutton chops 1 kg, ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon, shan fried chops masala mix, meat tenderizer, add ginger garlic paste, shan fried chop masala, add tenderizer powder. Now apply it all over the chops. When the chops are marinated, keep it in refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight. Heat the oil and fry it. Fry chops for 3 minutes each side and then cover the lid and fry for 10 to 15 minutes or the meat is fully cooked. Mutton chops are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.